Crude oil trade in triangle pattern was taken with a target of 1:2 ratio. Market went against our position and we booked a loss of 10 points. So watch the entire video for complete trade analysis. Now let's get started. Alright guys, before we actually started, I wanted to say a big thank you to all of you guys who tap the like button and comment on every single one of our video because it is important for our audience engagement and for getting the word out and bringing all our content to new people. So if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, just tap that red subscribe button and ring that bell icon to join our YouTube family. We are here in crude oil 15-minute time frame and I can see a buying opportunity if I just draw this trend line this way and from trend line below it will be this way, a triangle pattern, and when price crosses this trend line we'll take a buying position. It has just crossed. So now guys, I'll just go to crude oil futures here and we have taken the trade at 179 over here and our stop loss is below this swing low. Just at 169.10, 10 point stop loss, and we'll keep our target a basic 1:2 because in intraday 1:2 target are the best to achieve. You should not look higher targets in intraday. Welcome back guys. This is 11 o'clock in crude oil and I'll just remove this. Price has made a low here below our buying price. Currently it is at 3175. Our stop loss is at 3169. Let's see how it goes. If it hits our stop loss, then it's fine. Mistake accepted, and we'll close the system, and that's it for the day. I'll keep you updated. Price has came down to 3169. It has hit our stop loss. So yeah, mistake accepted. Let's see what was today's trade setup. We'll go in. First of all, this is US oil chart. From this chart, the crude oil chart is been derived. So for getting to know crude oil better, you first look at US oil chart, and whatever movement happens in this chart, exactly same movement happens in crude oil chart. So let's see today. This was again a triangle pattern. So price broke this trend line, this, and I entered into the trade after looking at green candle, and from the downside it was this way. So the reasons for taking these trades are price facing rejections on these levels. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times. So I thought this time the price will break this resistance and move upward, hence took a trade in this direction, buying side, hence took a trade in this buying side. So that was the first reason to get into this trade. The second reason is, let me remove all these drawings. The second reason is the sellers getting lesser and less in this, a big rally from here, and then sellers come in the market. So the second time sellers come, they could not take the market much lower like this way, like they took here. So that's why I thought the sellers are less, and now the market moved upward. The third reason for the trade is high volumes. So we see here volumes were low before this big volume. That was the third reason, and I told you before the price broke this trend line as well from the bottom this way. So that was the fourth reason. But stop loss hit, so mistake accepted, and that's it for the day. We'll close the system. We have a rule of taking only one trade a day. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.